My phone they ring. Who they call me? Hello? Yes. Yeah, which of the houses? Is it the one at Ikeja, Festac, Abisurulere?
Yeah, Festac one is okay with me.
Okay, the one at Festac. Yes. Ah, I'm even there now, sir. Now wow. Okay, yes. Yeah. Give me 5 minutes time. Okay, thank you. Hey, madam, you see how now? Very nice place.
Mazioriiheukwu.
Master's toilet. The water is running. And this place is the sitting room.
Okay.
And
Nice.
oh, madam, come on see the room.
Okay.
This is your baby room.
Let's find you.
This is a sitting room. And here is the toilet. Here's the toilet. Okay. And yes. This is the bedroom. Okay. You can see.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
This business we do.
Mumu man.
Eh? 10 people in a day. I collect 100K. Hi! Making it 1 million naira. 1 million naira in a day, oh boy. Which business sweet past this one? Eh? Landlords, they London, they enjoy. Before you don't come back, say, I don't buy my own house for Lagos.
Money, if I gonna make, Oje gonna Ubana Chowa. There is a problem, we say you don't get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way.